Hello everyone, myself Sanskriti. I'm a trainee of DLA 2018 batch of Diet Rampur. Today I am going to discuss the topic of an English project. My topic is the correct pronunciation. When we talk about English language teaching, the correct pronunciation is most important part of our teaching. Without correct pronunciation, we can't teach the language properly and effectively. So, let's talk about the pronunciation. What is pronunciation? The way you say the word is called pronunciation. आप किसी भी शब्द को जिस तरीके से बोलते हैं वही उस शब्द का pronunciation कहलाता है. If I talk about the components of the pronunciation, so there are two components of the pronunciation. The first one is syllable and the second is stressed syllable. अब हम समझेंगे कि syllable क्या होता है. So, what is syllable? Syllable is the small part of word which we divide to pronounce the word easily. जब कभी हम इंग्लिश वर्ड को स्टूडेंट से प्रोनाउंस कराने के लिए उसे स्मॉल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करके प्रोनाउंस कराते हैं, then the every part of the word is called a syllable. For example, let's take a word application. We can divide this word into four parts. A-P-P app, L-I-L-C-A-K-T-I-O-N, So, as we can see that there are four syllables in the word application. So, I hope it is clear that what is syllable. Now, move forward to the stressed syllable. When a word has more than one syllable, a single syllable within the word is given more emphasis than any of the other syllables. That syllable is considered to be the stressed syllable. जब कभी हमारे वर्ड में एक से ज़्यादा syllable होते हैं, तब हमें उस वर्ड का राइट प्रोनाउंसिएशन करने के लिए उसके किसी एक syllable को प्रोमिनेंटली प्रोनाउंस करना होता है या जोर दे के प्रोनाउंस करना होता है. और हम इस वर्ड का राइट प्रोनाउंसिएशन करने के लिए जिस सिलेबल का प्रोमिनेंटली प्रोनाउंसिएशन करते हैं वही सिलेबल स्ट्रेस्ड सिलेबल कहलाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लेट्स टेक अ वर्ड सर्टिफिकेट. Am I right or wrong? Yes, this is the wrong pronunciation of this word. The right pronunciation of this word is certificate. So, here we can see that in the right pronunciation of this word, the syllable TI is prominently pronounced. Now, it is clear that what is pronunciation and what are the components of the pronunciation. Now, we are going to look some rules of correct pronunciation related to the article the. बच्चों को इंग्लिश रीडिंग करते समय सबसे ज़्यादा आर्टिकल द के प्रोनाउंसिएशन में कंफ्यूजन होता है कि कहाँ उन्हें इस आर्टिकल द का प्रोनाउंसिएशन द के रूप में करना है और कहाँ उन्हें इस आर्टिकल द का प्रोनाउंसिएशन दी के रूप में करना है. तो हमें स्टूडेंट्स को आर्टिकल द से रिलेटेड ये टू रूल्स समझाने चाहिए और इसी के अकॉर्डिंग आर्टिकल द का प्रोनाउंसिएशन कराना चाहिए. According to the rule number first, if article the is followed by the word begins with consonant, then it is pronounced as the. यदि हमारा कोई वर्ड कॉन्सोनेंट लेटर से स्टार्ट होता है तब हमें उससे पहले लगे आर्टिकल द को द प्रोनाउंस करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द कंप्यूटर, द स्काई, द टेबल. Here, the first letter of these words computer, sky and table is a consonant, that is C, S and T. So the article used before these words is pronounced as the. यहाँ हमारे computer, sky and table इन तीनों words में first letter consonant है, that is C, S and T. इसलिए हमने इससे पहले लगे article द को द pronounce किया है. Now, move forward to the rule number 2. According to the rule number 2, if article the is followed by the word begins with vowel, that is A, E, I, O, U, then it is pronounced as ती. जब कभी हमारा वर्ड वॉवेल लेटर से स्टार्ट होता है तब हम इस वर्ड से पहले लगे आर्टिकल दा को डी प्रोनाउंस करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दी ओल्ड कंप्यूटर, दी अदर डे, एट द एंड ऑफ द डे. Here in these words, old, other, and, the first letter is a vowel, that is O, O and E. So the article used before these words pronounced as ती. यहाँ पर हमारे old, other, and इन तीनों वर्ड्स में पहला लेटर एक वॉवल है, इसलिए हमने इससे पहले लगे आर्टिकल दा को दी प्रोनाउंस किया है. बट here we can see some special case, the universe and Dior. Universe वर्ड में हमारा वर्ड एक वॉवल से स्टार्ट होता है, that is U. बट हम इससे पहले लगे आर्टिकल द को द प्रोनाउंस करते हैं, क्योंकि इसके पीछे का रीज़न ये होता है जब कभी हमारा कोई वर्ड ऐसा हो जो वॉवल से स्टार्ट हो और प्रोनाउंस करने पर सेम वॉवल का साउंड दे, तो ऐसे वर्डों से पहले लगे आर्टिकल द को हम द ही प्रोनाउंस करते हैं. Our next word is our. The first letter of this word is a consonant, that is H. But if we notice in the pronunciation of this word, it gives a sound of vowel. That is why we pronounce the article used before this word as the. Now, let's practice some most common words used in our regular conversation. Our first word is woman. It is a wrong pronunciation. The right pronunciation of this word is women, the plural form of the woman. For example, more and more women are joining the Indian Army. Next is coupon. This is the wrong pronunciation of this word. The right pronunciation of this word is coupon. For example, I have 2 free discount coupons. You can use them. Next is comfortable. This is the wrong pronunciation. The right pronunciation of this word is comfortable. For example, I have a comfortable home. Next word is restaurant. Many of us mispronounce it as restaurant, but the right pronunciation of this word is restaurant. For example, there is a Chinese restaurant in the mall. Next is hotel. This is the wrong pronunciation. The right pronunciation of this word is hotel. For example, the hotel stay was very comfortable. Our next word is technology. We often mispronounce it as technology, but the correct pronunciation of this word is technology. For example, technology has made us ever more productive. Our next word is table. A very common word, but this is the wrong pronunciation. The right pronunciation of this word is table. For example, we need to buy a dining table. Next is police. This is also the wrong pronunciation. The right pronunciation of this word is police. Example, we should call the police. Next word is iron. It is a wrong pronunciation. The right pronunciation of this word is iron. For example, I need to iron my shirt. Our next word is desert. If we call this word as desert, then it means by Registan. But here we use this word as a sweet which we take after meal. So the right pronunciation of this word is dessert. For example, we like to have a dessert after meal. Our next word is almond. This is the wrong pronunciation of this word. The right pronunciation of this word is almond. For example, she likes almonds but not peanuts. Our next word is breakfast. Very common word, but this is the wrong pronunciation of this word. The right pronunciation of this word is breakfast. For example, sit down and have breakfast with us. Next is bowl. We often mispronounce it as bowl, but the right pronunciation of this word is bowl. For example, please pass the bowl. Next is vehicle. We often mispronounce it as vehicle, but the right pronunciation of this word is vehicle. For example, there are too many vehicles in my city. Our next word is pronunciation. Yes, many of us pronounce it as pronunciation, but I want to tell there is no noun in the word. The right pronunciation of this word is pronunciation. Example, her pronunciation is very good in English. So, today we learned the right pronunciation of the most common word which we use in our regular conversation. In the end, I want to say that we should teach the students 5 to 10 words daily so that they can read the English language properly and effectively. Thank you.